Nothing. There is no news.
This is all I'm just
It's just news.
What about Mr. Abu Said of your hostel?
I have no hostel, I have no news in my hostel because
You have no any hostel?
yes,
What can you say?
I have no hostel. Mr. Kapra is now staying in hostel.
What the news of Mr. Kapra? Indica.
এই কেপাস ইউনিভার্সিটি বন্ধ হয়ে গেছে না সাউথ এশিয়ান ইউনিভার্সিটি বন্ধ না
আসতে গেছে না
নাই তো এখন কেপাস ইউনিভার্সিটি নাই it is lost
Mr. Abu Said, what the news of Kapra recent? His college, his varsity is closed recently.
Already he is not informed me, but today's morning he said that there are to go outside for
For a job.
Organization, somebody funny program today. Outside, you can go.
The chairs and table already sold to the Universal College
Yeah.
from the Mullah's College.
Mullah's College.
আরে কত বড় আর রুমি আমান বলে ইউনিভার্সিটি বানাইলো চিন্তা সাউথ এশিয়ান তো কোন ইউনিভার্সিটি
South Eastern University.
ওইলা দুইটা রুমি না
It's one of the greatest university of Bangladesh.
Yeah, he is very renowned in Sylhet town, and he is very greatest
He's the PhD holder, and researcher person of Bangladesh.
ক্লাসে
And one of the most important things of the Allahabad University College.
College.